This is the Insta360 X3. We're here in Paris on the Champs-Élysées to try out one of the coolest features, the StreetLapse. So we're going to set the X3 up on a tripod here in front of the Arc de Triomphe. George is going to stand arm's length from the camera and just hold a pose for about 20 to 30 seconds. Okay, so the X3 is still on the tripod in exactly the same position. We're going to record 2 or 3 minutes of the traffic flowing towards the Arc de Triomphe there, and then we're going to take both those clips and we're going to connect the X3 up to the phone and jump into the Insta360 app.
I'm going to look amazing.
Okay, now we're going to wirelessly connect the X3 to the phone, to the Insta360 app. We're going to tap on Stories to take us into Shot Lab, and we're going to scroll down until we see StreetLapse. We're going to tap that, and then we're going to tap Use this theme. We're going to select our subject clip. That's the 20-second clip we did of Georgie. And our background clip is the 2-minute clip we did of the traffic. Once we've selected them both, it's going to give us the option to reframe, but we're happy with the way this looks anyway. So we're going to tap Create Video, and that's going to merge the two videos together and create the effect. And while that's doing that, if you're enjoying this video, give it a like, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of our future videos. And if you want to grab an X3 for yourself, there's a link in the description where you can get one direct from Insta360, and if you buy using our link, you get the Invisible Selfie Stick completely free. Okay, so once it's finished creating the StreetLapse, you can just export it directly from there, and the end result looks like this.